Hello guys, paano i-set up ang date and time ng GoPro? So, i-swipe down lang natin guys. Pagkatapos, i-click natin yung preferences. Yan, and then scroll up natin. Ayan, kita na yung time. Unahin natin yung date. Click natin yung date. Yan. Simula month, April. Day 1 and then year 26. Yan, idaan-daan nyo lang guys kasi sensitive siya. Yan, and then click natin yung check. Okay. Next is time. So, check muna natin yung time. Then, click natin yung time. Ayan. Meron isang choice. 24 hours, PM, AM. Bali, time ngayon is alas 7 ng umaga. (7:03 AM). Ayan. And then, click natin yung check. And then, yun, okay na. Okay. So, yun guys. Gusto nyo na i-click, click nyo lang yan, tama na. Ayan. So, ayan na guys. So, i-check natin. Preferences. Scroll up. So, ayan na guys. O, diba? So, ayan guys. Sana namin natutunan kayong lahat. Please don't forget to like and share and subscribe. God bless.